What is Next.js? Next.js is a cutting-edge React framework created by the team at Vercel that has transformed the way developers build modern web applications. At its core, React is a JavaScript library primarily focused on building user interfaces. It lets you create components that dynamically update the UI based on state or props. However, React alone doesn't handle some important aspects needed for real-world apps, such as routing, server-side rendering, or SEO optimization. This is where Next.js steps in, providing a comprehensive solution that extends React's capabilities with features designed to solve these challenges out of the box. One of the most significant features of Next.js is its ability to do server-side rendering, or SSR. Normally, React apps are rendered on the client's browser, which means that when a user visits your website, the browser downloads a JavaScript bundle and then builds the page. While this works well for many apps, it can cause slower initial load times and can be bad for SEO because search engines sometimes struggle to index dynamically generated content. Next.js solves this by rendering the React components on the server first, sending fully formed HTML to the browser. This leads to faster page loads and better indexing by search engines, which is crucial for any website that wants to rank well on Google. Alongside SSR, Next.js also supports static site generation, SSG. This means that you can generate your entire website as static HTML files during the build process, which are then served instantly to users. Static sites are incredibly fast because they don't require server processing on each request, and they can easily be cached and served from content delivery networks, CDNs. This hybrid rendering model, allowing both SSR and SSG, gives developers the flexibility to choose the best rendering strategy based on the needs of each page. Routing in Next.js is made exceptionally simple through its file-based system. Unlike traditional React apps where you have to set up libraries like React Router manually, Next.js uses the file structure inside the page's directory to automatically generate routes. For example, a file called about.js inside pages becomes the about route in your application. You can also create dynamic routes, nested routes, and API routes in this same directory, which dramatically simplifies project organization and speeds up development. Speaking of API routes, Next.js is not just a front-end framework. It supports building backend functionality right inside your application through API routes. These are serverless functions you can create inside the page's API directory. This means you can handle form submissions, database interactions, authentication, or any server-side logic without spinning up a separate backend server. This full-stack approach makes Next.js a fantastic choice for building scalable applications quickly. Performance optimization is another cornerstone of Next.js. The framework automatically splits your JavaScript code into smaller chunks, loading only the necessary parts for each page. This means your users don't have to download large files up front, resulting in faster load times and a smoother experience. Next.js also includes built-in image optimization via its component, which automatically serves images in modern formats, optimizes size, and adapts to different screen sizes. The recent updates in Next.js 13 and above have introduced exciting features like the new app directory, server components, and enhanced routing capabilities. Server components allow parts of your React app to run on the server without sending unnecessary JavaScript to the client, further improving performance. The new routing system brings more flexibility and better layout management, enabling developers to create complex applications with less boilerplate code. Deployment of Next.js applications is seamless, especially when paired with Vercel, the platform created by the same team behind Next.js. Vercel provides zero-config deployment, instant cache invalidation, global CDN, and edge functions, making it extremely easy to get your app live and performant worldwide. But Next.js apps can also be deployed on other popular platforms like Netlify, AWS, or any Node.js-compatible server. For developers transitioning from React, Next.js offers a familiar development environment, but with many additional capabilities that open up new possibilities, from better SEO and faster load times to building complete full-stack apps with backend API routes. Learning Next.js not only enhances your front-end skills, but also empowers you to build modern, production-ready applications that can scale. In this video series, we will explore each of these concepts in depth, from setting up your first Next.js project to understanding SSR, SSG, API routes, and the latest features in Next.js 13. We will also build real-world examples, helping you apply these ideas practically so you can confidently create professional-grade web applications.